This is Dr. Edwards coming to you live from Tarleton State University. I wanted to show you guys a quick way that you can look at multiple rows of data by sorting them to find the most effective messages posted by an organization. And this is super important because you want to make sure that you're looking at the most engaging types of tweets and the most engaging types of content. And that's important so you can replicate that content if it's getting a lot of play on social media. But before we begin, I want to tell you guys that you can reach me if you have any questions at drjtedwards, and I'm on Twitter as well as Instagram, and also you can follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, so what I plan to do is I am selecting this box on the upper left-hand corner. So if you see column A and then row 1, it's the box to the left-hand side of that. So that is selecting all rows, all data on this sheet. So if you go up to, after you've selected all of the columns available on the sheet, if you go to data, to the data tab, go down to sort range, then you will be able to sort all data by this by these columns. So if we look at column C, which represents the number of retweets. If you retweet something, that means you want your followers to see it, obviously. Then we will sort by column D, which is likes, and then the last column that we will sort by is column E, which is replies. So I am selecting Z through A because I believe that's important, because if not, you're sorting by the least number of the least amount of engagement to the most amount of engagement, and we want to make sure that we have our highest number at the top. So therefore we select Z through A. One thing to truly pay attention to is that the data has a header row, so you want to make sure that you are not sorting by the text at the very top. So now we will press sort and hope for the best. Yay, it worked. Okay, so the tweets that had the most engagement are as follows. So this tweet has 43 retweets, 146 likes, and 34 replies. Then this tweet has, let's see, this number 5 is, we'd like to learn more about what happened and see how we can help. Can you send us a quick DM with your flight information? So that has the second highest number of I guess, overall engagement. And this person who they're replying to actually is a Twitter celebrity. So it was interesting that that tweet actually received 13 retweets, 229 likes, and also 95 replies. And then the tweet with the second highest number of responses by retweets, likes, and replies, that is the tweet number on row 6, which is, we'd like to learn more about what happened and to see how we can help. Can you send us a quick DM with your flight information? So it's just very interesting to see how people are engaging. I am also including 2 more tweets to include a total of 5 tweets to look at engagement. It was interesting because some tweets, like this is the 4th tweet with the most engagement. It has, we have quite the operation there in Charlotte, CLT airport. Love the way you captured our beautiful tails too. So I highlighted that because I thought that that's something that I wanted to include anyway. It was a really neat way that the airline engaged with its followers. So yeah. The 5 tweets with the most engagement, they're listed here. But again, I highlighted everything by selecting the upper left-hand corner, the box in the upmost corner, and then also I did the filter views, and you can only sort range after you select everything. So for example, I do not have anything selected. I select the box in the upper left-hand corner, and then I go to data and then sort range, and now it is available. All right, if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and then also let me know how you plan to use this strategy with your research by writing in the comment box below, and also share this out if you have any questions that could be answered by me, and I will see it. All right, guys, have a good day.